back.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town.
Hi guys, my name's Aayushi. If you're new here, hi and thanks for joining in. And if you're old here, I appreciate you for coming back again and thank you. Okay, so before we start, let's just address this beautiful background. Sorry. So I made a video about photo editing apps and you people liked it. So that is why this time I am making a video on video editing apps for your phone. So let's be honest, a video edited on a laptop is here and something edited on your phone may be here, okay? Now these apps may be able to get you over here, somewhere closer to those edits, okay? I'll be honest, editing on a software is obviously greater than editing it on a phone. But there's one app which I'll be telling you in the end, which is like, it's kind of close, okay? And it's by the same company who make editing softwares for your laptops. So let's get started. The first app I have is Video Show. Let me show you. So first let's talk about the pros and cons of this app. The pros are that they've got transition, filters, effects, stickers, doodles and GIFs for you, okay, pre-made. And the con is only one, that they come with their watermark, okay? If you're okay with using watermarks on your videos, then this app is good for you. Watermark is basically them writing their name at the bottom of your video, okay? So let me show you what this can do. So see, here we have the themes, all the themes, sound. You can download music. They have the option of removing the original music and adding any other music from their collection, or if you want to download from YouTube or anywhere and then put it over here, you can do that as well. Okay, so coming to the transitions, so these are all the transitions they have for you. You can even download them. Some of them are free, some are not free. So let's go for the normal fade one, and then there's this draw one. Oh, this one's cool. And then cross. Let's see what cross is. Oh, it's like strips going, strips of your old video going and the new video coming. Okay, fine, that's for the transitions. See what you like and decide. Okay, then they've got filters. If you go again on downloads, you can find more filters according to your video. Stickers, and these are the different sticker packets again, if you want that on your video, okay, and GIFs also. So this is what Video Show can do for you. It can do basic editing, volume adding, removing the volume of your video and adding a different music, reducing the video sounds and increasing the music sounds, okay, all of these basic stuff. Transitions, presets are made for you that you can directly apply if you're not good with color grading. And yeah, GIFs and stickers if you want to add them in your videos as well. Okay, so this is for the first one. Let's go to the second one. App number 2 is called as Power Director. So now coming to the pros and cons. The pro is that it looks more like a software with the way the timeline is arranged. It asks you which ratio you want to edit your video in, which is really helpful. And then they've got many aesthetic texts. It allows you to do voiceovers as well as PIP, which is picture in picture, which I'll be showing you later. The con, there's only one con again, and that is the watermark. All of these apps are really good, but they've got these watermarks. If you're okay with the watermark, boom, you've got the best apps. But don't worry, I've got you covered. The third app I'll be talking about is free, plus they don't have their watermark issue. So stay tuned. So when you open a new project over here, it asks you which ratio you want. We'll go for 16:9, that is the YouTube ratio. And then you choose your videos. First video, second video. So I just changed the position of the second video to first because that's how I wanted. And yeah, so you can even add pictures, music. You can take their music as well as your music. And then I especially like their texts, okay? So look at this one. This looks as if it's a list of the cast of a series or something.
Hi guys and welcome to my channel.
All the names go like that, and if you click on it you can edit all the names at once. Okay, it's not like one by one you need to go. All of the names you can edit at once, so that is a good thing over here. Now delete. Next, let's go to the transitions. So between two clips they've already put the transition thingy, and however you want those two clips to change you can apply. So let's see.
Today I'll be talking about how to make a digital collage.
And then it's that transition that you applied. Okay, this is the dissolve transition, I feel. So yeah, they've got very different transitions, like the burn transition over here. Okay, again play and it burns the picture into a new picture. So yeah, and then you can add your music. So now coming to adding pictures on a picture, like over here if I want to add a picture, so again you go over here, go to pictures, select the picture you need, and then yeah, it goes on the layer below it, but it is actually on top of it, and then you move it. You can increase the size if you want. You've got a video and a picture. So now when I play it, it's that GIF and this thing. You can do this with any of the pictures you want to appear in your video. So these were the main features of this app. Let's go to the next app. So app number 3 is Filmora Go. And good news, this app doesn't put its watermark. So we can use this above the rest too. But they put their watermark at the end, like they put a slide of their watermark, which you can, if you want, cut it out of your video. So let me show you what these people have. So I added my first video, and then I'm adding my second video, and then we go to next. Now you've already got what are the basics of each app. I'll just show you what's special in this app. Okay, music, transitions, they've got better transitions. Let me show you. Look at the fisheye transition over here. Okay, bounce transition, distort transitions. Their transitions are better according to me. It's your own preference, whichever transitions, whatever type of transitions you like. So yeah, I just thought I'll show this to you. Next, coming to ratio and crop, basically crop it accordingly. Now when you have editing tools, let's see what all they have. Trim, crop, subtitles. PIP is basically, you must have seen me adding videos over here. They allow you to add photos in that format. Voiceover, I didn't know all these apps have voiceover. Okay, audio mix, your video, audio, music, and your voiceover. Okay, you can adjust those.
Hi guys and
Oh my god. Filters, overlays, elements, title, speed, rotate, adjust, duplicate, and delete. Okay, these are all the features. I think these are good enough. Okay, these features are enough for you to make videos. So let's see overlay. I like their overlay. Look at this.
to my channel.
The film overlay, 80s overlay,
My name's Aayushi.
love overlay. If you go on more, you'll see light leaks are there, holiday effect, different titles, elements, transitions that you can download. Okay, so that's for all the transitions. Yeah, and subtitles. Let's see what all subtitles they have. Oh, they've got that Star Wars subtitle, glitch subtitle. Oh, glitch is really nice. And then just tap add title, add your title, font. They've got different fonts and colors. Okay, so this is the third app. So we are done with our apps, but wait, there's a fourth app which I told you in the starting about its editing reaching very close to a software edit, and that is Adobe Premiere Rush. The problem with this is it is not compatible with all phones. Also, it's a paid app. If you are interested in investing money into your editing, then you can take this. Obviously it's by Adobe, so it has to be good. Okay, so that's it. If you like this video, smash the like button, Subscribe to my channel. Please mention in the comments what type of videos you want to see. And I'll see you next time. Until then, take care. Bye.
Reach the stars, fly a